Our notice from the Jamaican Language Unit. Yesterday, Prime Minister Andrew Holness put in one new time where people for go road then go back home. This a go for everybody in the country. Come tomorrow, Wednesday, April 22 to Wednesday, May 6, people can go road from 6 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the evening. Business places are open from 8 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and people can use the 2 hours left for go home. JUTC and public passenger vehicle can dip on the road from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock at night, but them can carry no passenger from 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the morning and 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock at night. The 5 to 6 and 6 to 7 are the time where them for use to go work and then go back at them yard. Supermarket, pharmacy and corner shop for lock by 5 o'clock in the evening. Market for up Monday to Saturday from 6 o'clock in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. The lockdown where they go on in St. Catherine are go on for another 7 days, but people are going to have more time for move on them day. Monday, Wednesday, Friday and Saturday. Them day are the day where them can do them shopping. People can go out from 6 o'clock in the morning to 6 o'clock in the evening on them day there. People not have to go out based on them last name no more. Bank, post office, gas station and the place them where you go for collect money from foreign can open on the shopping day them too. On top of all of that, everybody have to wear masks when them go road. People have to stay 6 feet from them one another. People who can walk from them yard and so on for stay home for another fortnight. Plus, no more than 10 somebody not supposed to do one meeting, and this I go on for another fortnight too. School I got turn lock till May 31. That's our notice from the Jamaican Language Unit.